Thanks for taking time out of your day today to watch me install Weber's weathered wallboards. My name is Chip and I will show you the easy installation process with just a few simple tools. Supplies you will need for this project are paint in a complementary color, level, liquid nails, caulking gun, complementary stain, hammer, nails, tape measure, safety goggles, pencil, and miter saw. Optional power tools you could use would be an electric miter saw and an air nailer. Ready to get started? Measure the wall. Prepare your surface and paint your wall a complementary color. Find the studs. Determine a pattern. Vertical, horizontal, and diagonal are some great options. Draw a reference line using a level. Add boards following the reference line. If your wall has outlets or switches, measure and cut around them. You can finish your exposed ends with paint or stain, and for added protection, a sealer can be applied. Thanks for watching. Now you can achieve the look of reclaimed wood easily and affordably with Weber's weathered wallboards.